month, and we're still adding to it out there. Right now, we are surrounded by tornado watches. There's one out to the west. It's west of Indianapolis. There's another one that includes Paducah and parts of western Kentucky. Another one in eastern Kentucky. So far, most of Ohio is warning free. However, we could still get some heavy rain out of this and can't rule out the possibility of some thunder yet this evening. But our chances of severe weather are decreasing through the evening. Right now, Columbus with some moderate to heavy rain, so with that carrying on up into Licking County. So 62 up through Johnstown and Utica getting some moderate rain. Newark getting a little of that. More of that into Perry and Muskingum counties, down into Athens County. So it's coming down pretty good across a lot of central Ohio. Isolated severe storms possible from Dayton down to about Portsmouth. The Cincinnati area could have some scattered severe storms, but a lot of that, as we go through the rest of the evening, is likely to have a smaller and smaller chance. You can just make out the downtown skyline in the rain right now. It is still coming down pretty good. So we're going to have to deal with rain, not just tonight, but well into the next few days. 57 at the airport, breeze out of the east at 9 miles per hour, dew point at 54. So your relative humidity close to 90% right now. D.R. Horton America's Builder current conditions put Coshocton and Zanesville at 61. Bucyrus was our cool spot yesterday. Now at 61, it's one of the warmer places. A little bit warmer in Cambridge at 63, but Circleville still at 57 right now. Tonight, the rain continues, and that will eventually taper off later tonight, become just some scattered showers. The rumbles of thunder are going to be few and far between, but still possible, and early tomorrow morning we'll have some leftover puddles for your morning commute. So take that rain gear for the evening. Temperatures will stay pretty close to 60 degrees for a while, and eventually dropping to 57. You'll have a lot of rural areas dropping into the lower 50s overnight tonight. Showers, maybe some thunder, otherwise breezy and raw. Here's your daytime on Wednesday. A lot of Ohio at least has a chance for some thunder, but there's a chance of some isolated strong storms in eastern and far eastern Ohio. That'll be mainly for the afternoon and very early evening. The low pressure center that's out there right now is going to slide directly over the state during the daytime tomorrow, and then it kind of stalls out. So it's going to be stuck in the Cleveland area for most of the daytime tomorrow, and that's going to keep the rain going. So as the rain continues to fall, we could get another quarter to half inch. A few pockets with heavier rain could end up with close to an inch worth of rain. All of that on top of what's already been a very soggy month. 59 degrees on the way out the door in the morning with your rain gear. 69 degrees on the way home. A high around 70 on Wednesday. Rain again on Thursday with a high of only